Hi guys, I hope you're having an amazing day. Recently, I have been trying a lot of different liners to see which one looks best on my eyes. And if you have eyes like me, that is, your crease is not visible जब eyes open होती है. Like, can you see? My crease is not visible. So even you have hooded eyes. And I have the perfect liner for you. Now, I don't have a lot of patience, and this is the reason why I don't apply liner on a daily basis. But I have found this really cool hack using which you can just apply your liner in just 1 minute. So without any delay, let's get started. Now the best eyeliner for us to apply is the eyeliner with slightly thicker wing क्योंकि anyways crease तो दिखनी है ना, so it's very important that the wing is noticeable. Tiny liner, I will be using this Clinique Quick Liner, and the first step is to mark a point exactly below your eyebrow and beside your eye. So where your eyebrows end will be your y-axis, so it goes till here, and this will be your x-axis. So this is where both these lines meet, and I'm gonna be doing the same for the other eye. So yeah. The next step is that you join the tip of your eye to the dot that you just made. I'm gonna be doing that. Just FYI that I do not apply my liner very dark when I'm applying it for the first time, because what if it's not correct and you have to rub it again? So I make a shape and then I just darken it by applying it again. Now I will be starting my liner from the center of my eye because anyways, the middle part is not visible, so I don't find the need to cover my whole eye and start from here. So I will be just starting my liner from here, like exactly center of my eye. The next step is to join the dot that you put on the center of your eye to this wing and just hope and pray to God that your wing is perfect and they both look similar. Okay, so I completed the steps and this is how I look. And I know that both my eyes look very different, and that is just because I wanted to show you the two different kinds of liners that you can get using the exact same steps. So this is like a very glamorous look, and you all can apply it when you're going to party or something. And this is like a very normal wing liner, and you can apply it when you're going to college or at a friend's place or something like that. And the only difference between them is that when I was joining the two dots, I had to put the liner twice. Okay, so it's not very thick, and for that I had to put it 4 times, so it's like the double of this eye. My personal favorite is this look because I think it's really bold and fancy, and I don't really feel the need to apply liner when I'm casually hanging out with friends. So hopefully this is the look that you will be seeing on me more often when I'm going to parties. Obviously, I'm not gonna be applying this much liner when I'm going to college. So yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna make my this eye look like that one, and I'll see you guys in a bit. This is how I look. And just one final tip, that once you're done with making your perfect wing, you can also apply liner on the tip of your eye. I think it gives a very classy finish, just like I have applied. So it's very little, but it still adds value. So you all can do that if you like it. I really hope that you like this video. And one thing that I can guarantee about these steps are that your wings will look exactly similar because we are taking points. So there's no chance that one will be bigger than the another or something like this will happen. But you need to make sure that you know how many times are you reapplying the liner so that the thickness is also the same. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye, take care.